Question number 37 of test series 9 is from traffic engineering, and in this question it is given that a normal flow is taking place and QA is given as 600 PCU passenger car units per hour, and SA, that is saturation flow on path A, is given as 1600 PCU per hour. For road B, QB is given as 600 PCU per hour and SB is given as 1600 PCU per hour, and it is also given that all red time, that is time lost in the cycle, is 20 seconds. Also R is given by 2 into N plus R. So its L is given in this question, that is time lost in the cycle, and it is 20 seconds. It is also given by 2N plus R, where N is the number of cycles plus R, that is all red time. Now YA will be given by QA upon SA and YB will be given by QB upon SB. So YA comes out to be 600 upon 1600, YB comes out to be QA and QB, let us, it's 400, so it comes out to be 400 upon 1600, and total Y comes out to be YA plus YB, that is 1000 upon 1600. Now as per Webster's method, optimum time of cycle is given by 1.5 times time lost plus 5 divided by 1 minus Y. So upon substitution, this comes out to be 1.5 into L, which is 20, plus 5 into 1 minus 1000 upon 1600, which in turns upon simplification comes out to be 108 seconds. So A is the correct answer for question number 37. Further, for your knowledge, if it is asked that what is green time of A, it will be given by YA upon total Y into C naught minus L, and similarly GB will be given by YB upon Y into C naught minus L.